Is natto vegan, vegetarian, the ultimate answer? That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King. I am the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. I just attended No-Ryosai, which is a Japanese summer festival on Saturday, so I feel very festive today. Now, if you're vegan and wondering whether to incorporate natto into your diet or not, this is the video for you. Please watch it. Okay, so is natto vegan? Well, natto is fermented soybeans, so technically it is plant-based. However, some companies use non-vegan ingredients like gelatin to hasten the fermentation process and enhance the texture. This process supposedly makes natto taste better and get rid of some of the pungent smell, which might make more people want to eat it. So, if you're vegan and want to try natto, make sure to check the labels and avoid any that mention gelatin. Having said that, most natto produced in Japan do not use gelatin. Yeah, and most natto sold overseas are made in Japan. Therefore, you don't need to worry too much about it. Yeah, so most nattos are plant-based, right? But if you're still worried about it, you can always make natto at home. In fact, this is the best way because even though most nattos are safe and most nattos are good, if you let other people, like companies, to make natto, you don't really know what they do in the process. You cannot check every single procedure. Yeah, but by making natto at home, you know the process. Therefore, you can trust it, and it has a lot of other advantages. You get to choose GM-free soybeans, and you get to choose organic and local soybeans, and you get to choose local and natural Bacillus subtilis, which is natto bacteria that you need to ferment your soybeans. Yeah. And it's not that difficult to make natto at home, so please try it. Yeah, I put how to make natto at home in the book. Otherwise, natto is a great plant-based protein source. Yeah. Now, so compared to other plant-based protein sources, yeah. So for per 100 grams, natto contains 19 grams of protein, which is very high. And it is not bad, even compared to animal-based protein sources. So to answer the question, is natto vegan? It is a must-have food for vegans. In fact, there are so many health benefits other than it is being a protein powerhouse. You definitely want to incorporate natto into your diet. It's going to upgrade your plant-based diet tremendously. For detail, please watch my other video. I regret ignoring natto, 7 health benefits you need to know. Yeah. Or please read the book because the book contains all the information you need about the health benefit, plus DIY natto, how to make natto at the home. And so I said that some companies use gelatin to navigate natto's taste, but you don't need that. There are other ways to do it. And I put that in the book as well, which include some of the recipes. Some of them are plant-based recipes to help you navigate natto's taste. And natto hacking, how to optimize natto eating for your wellness and longevity. The book is available on Amazon as Kindle and print-on-demand paperback. Okay, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King, the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and please leave your comment. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!